Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about how to turn on email of tips and tricks on the application of Grab. To know how to turn on email of tips and tricks on the application of Grab, you should just go to the app of Grab as you see and you will click. After that, in this page, you will go down to click in this window of account. When you'll find this list, you will enter to this window of settings. Then in this page, we go to click communications. After that, you will go to this sign and you will enter. If this sign changed the green color, then you can know how to turn on email of tips and tricks on the application of Grab. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.